Okay. Hello, dear friends. Good afternoon. Such a beautiful, beautiful afternoon. I have already started my class, back to school, back to my normal life. And so today I just shipped one Poshmark order. And then I looked for the little cards. And then I found the cards does not have a stamp. You know, everything is getting started. I should get everything ready in place, but seems nothing is really in place. So what do? I should stress out, right? I should self-blame, right? You bet I did all that. I blamed myself. What I was thinking. Why didn't I get myself prepared earlier or better? I did all that. Now I have done the self-criticize. I need to do some work. There is no order. No matter what comes first, what comes the last, time calls it, you do it. So now I am taking care of all these mini cards. So next time when I need to use them, they are all ready. Don't you think it's a good idea? So in time of stress, in time of lost, just do things one at a time, whatever comes your way. I have discussed this with my family, with my son, with friends. People do have different opinions, and some say you should do the easy things first, which is my way of doing things. Some say you should do the hard things the first. Some people may say you should do whatever comes to your hand, just one thing at a time. So personally, I usually like to go easy first. Sorry. And then more complicated stuff. Today I decide whatever coming my way, I am getting rid of it. I am doing it. And that is it. That is it. I have finished these cards, which is not really an emergency, but it stuck to my throat every time I see I haven't done the stamping. I should do it. Now I do it. I can use it comfortably. At least I can put a full stop, a conclusion on something. That fact makes me happy. And just do the things. There's no right, no wrong. Another thing is that this year I am full-time. Last year I was not full-time because school always have this or that arrangement, and this year I will have much less time by myself, for myself. So I will be I am planning to change my, not really a lifestyle, but change my focus. I love my job. I do love. I love to see my students. They are happy. I am happy. And I find the meaning of it. It's kind of strange. When they need you, when you are needed. You are needed. When you are not needed, it's hard to put into words. I will avoid talking too much about it. Just do one thing at a time. My beautiful Muji pens. This makes me so happy. Super duper duper super thin. Extremely thin. Okay, I am cleaning up my things, and later on we will do a looser unboxing and those tedious stuff and things. Welcome back to life. I need to clean up my table, clean up my salt. This is it. Keep this book. I am cleaning. Ning, 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 ning. Okay, you will not see the messy stuff here. I love you. I really do. Do, 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 do. Do, do, do. Bye bye, friends.